Hello, let's learn today about Terragrunt commands. Let's assume that we having this infrastructure to deploy. On the left hand, we having a module repo which contains three different services EC2, S3, VPC, for which we have to create an infrastructure, and here they are having their infrastructure called in a Terraform. On the middle, we having a full repo which contains the Terragrunt configurations, Terragrunt SCL file, and here we having a four different stacks to deploy. The first stack is a prod for US East 1 region. The next is a prod for US West 2 region. Then we have a dev for US East 1 region, and then we have a dev US West 2 region. So here in the middle we having a directory structure for those stacks, where on the root level we having a terragrunt.scl file which contains the root configuration of the Terragrunt. Then we having a directory for prod and dev environment, and then each environment having a subdirectories for the regions. And for each region, or basically for each stack, we having a terragrunt.scl file. Now let's learn about commands. So let's assume that we are into the food directory on a root level, and our first command is terragrunt validate all. So this will execute Terraform validate for each and every stack we have under that directory. The next command is terragrunt plan all. This will execute Terraform plan for each and every stack and prepare the plan for them. So in case of example, we having a four different environment and regions combination. So we will have the four different plans to execute. Terragrunt apply all is same as a Terraform apply, but here for every stack, that means either we can input four different plans to Terragrunt apply all, or it will execute Terragrunt apply all for each and every directory without inputting any plan. Next is Terragrunt output all, same as the Terraform output, which will bring fetch the output from the Terraform state of each and every stack. Next is Terragrunt destroy all, same as a Terraform destroy, but here again it is for every stack. Next is Terragrunt info, which is simply try to print the state configuration of all the stacks. And the last, the most important thing we need to know is Terragrunt star. Terragrunt star is basically saying that you can execute any Terraform command here with the Terragrunt. So let's assume that you have to execute Terragrunt plan only. Then you can just input Terragrunt plan, and Terragrunt will forward the simple plan command, which is a non-Terragrunt command, to the Terraform itself. And if the command is present into the Terraform CLI, then it will execute. Now this is all about executing operations on all the stacks together. Now what about if I want to update a single stack, or I want to update or execute any operation on a single stack? Then let's learn about that as well. So here let's assume that we have to only update the stack prod US West 2. So assuming that we are into that directory, and then we can execute all these commands on the right hand. So here, instead of executing Terragrunt plan all, or apply all, or validate all, we will only execute Terragrunt validate, or a Terragrunt plan, or Terragrunt apply. This will only apply the Terragrunt or execute the Terraform operation for that particular stack. Yeah, thank you.